Hi there, and welcome to Maths with Dan. Sorry I've not been able to upload any sort of topic videos at the moment. I've just been quite overwhelmed as I have my exams coming up at the moment at university. But I thought I'd put together a quick video on how to manage your time when studying all of GCSE topics. As I understand, I did a video before on how to improve your GCSE level and how it's not too late to revise. And in terms of the times I set for that, some people believe it would be quite hard to manage all the times within GCSE maths along with all their other topics. So I just got some tips and tricks for you guys to go through. For my private tutoring email, my email will be in the description, or any sort of questions you have. There's also a comment box. I'm always answering comments and everything, so I'll get back to you guys quite quickly. And let's get into the video. So the first point I'd say is create a study schedule. Therefore, every day, the day before, you just set out when you're going to eat lunch, dinner, and then set like a schedule before that. So let's say you get up at, let's say, 9 a.m. Takes you about an hour to get ready, 10 to 12. For example, you then look over, for example, a certain maths topic, and then you have your lunch. Then after that, you then spend, let's say, another 2 hours studying geography. Let's say there's a certain part of geography you've got to look over. So make sure you really structure your timetable for the day as if it is the most productive day that you could have. And therefore, that even if you then go off that and you're not as productive as you originally tried to plan to be, you'll still be very efficient throughout your day. Even if you got half of it done, make it sure that you're still efficient. The next one is prioritize. You have to identify the topics or subjects that you struggle with the most. You don't want to keep going over things that you really enjoy doing, because I understand a lot of people do that. Let's say you really enjoy simultaneous equations, so you just keep doing them even though you know you're good at them. There's little point in that. So you need to focus on the ones that you struggle with. Reach out, ask questions on topics you don't know. Next one is with the ones you do find quite hard is to practice regularly. You have to keep just so you retain a deeper understanding of the subject matter. Go through past papers or practice questions just to test your knowledge. The next one is learn different learning strategies. A lot of people have many different learning strategies. Me personally, it's literally just going through past papers and then I just remember how to do it and how the solutions did it beforehand, so I then know how to do it for the next one. But other people, they really enjoy mind maps, rewriting equations over and over again to get into their heads. So it really depends on yourself and how you best study. So just try out different types and see what you go with best. I know a lot of people like flashcards, not me personally. And then the next one, make sure you take breaks. So in the timetable, like I said before, the day before, just plan out your day. Is make sure you have breaks set aside, make it realistic. So let's say you have a break to go on your phone, maybe it's 10-15 minutes. You know, you're not only going to go on it for 2 minutes, just set a certain amount of time. The next point is seek help when you needed, which I touched on earlier. Also, moving on for a side bit of that, it's start early. You also want to start early. It's still relatively early. You guys still have a month till exams, so if you start now, you guys should be all set for exams. Also, break down the subjects into smaller topics. For example, when I did a history GCSE, you could break it down in different parts like American West and Elizabethan, and then different parts within that. Take practice tests, and just remember to take care of yourself. Ensure that you're having enough rest, exercise, always hit the gym, eat well. It really helps you work better, and just really have time for yourself. That's the most important thing rather than your GCSE. Still makes you get it done, but focus on yourself. And that's it. That's it for Maths with Dan today. And hope you enjoy the rest of your Easter and see you in the next video.